Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Olivier here. I hope you are having a wonderful day. So I'm here in sunny UK at the moment, and I thought, why not shoot a video? The sun is blaring, and that doesn't happen often here in the UK, so I thought, why not? But before I get into that, I just want to first of all say thank you for stopping by if this is the first time that you are visiting my channel. And for those of you that have already followed me and already subscribed to my channel, I want to say a very huge thank you for your continuous support and welcome back. So in this video, what I wanted to talk about is one of the many ways that I'm generating money online. Now, for those of you that have just come onto my channel for the first time, what I'm doing is I'm looking into all the various different ways that you can make money online. And if you haven't seen the rest of my videos, make sure you do. They will appear up here, because what I do is that I go through each method, each strategy that I've basically researched into and now currently making money on. So make sure you check those videos out. But as I said, what I want to talk about in this video is cryptocurrency. What is all the talk about? Now, for those of you that are not sure what cryptocurrency is, all it is, it's basically money in a digital form. Okay, so you don't physically have the money like you would a pound or a dollar or a rupee. Okay, it is all digital. Okay, and that's what basically cryptocurrency is. So I don't want to go into too much details about it, but if you are interested in cryptocurrency, then why don't you shoot a comment down below and let me know. Then maybe I could shoot a separate video. But in this video, I just wanted to give you an overview of how I'm currently making money with cryptocurrency. But before I do that, I do want to put a quick disclaimer out there that I am not a financial advisor, okay? And should you in no way take my advice in terms of using that to invest into cryptocurrency, okay? All I'm doing in this video is really just giving you an idea, just some thoughts behind how I'm making money using cryptocurrency at the moment. But should you in no way take it as gospel, and you should definitely do your due diligence before making any form of investment. And if you have been looking into cryptocurrency, you will see other YouTubers putting out the same disclaimer. Okay, so make sure you do your research before making any form of investment. Okay, so cryptocurrency, for those of you that have heard about cryptocurrency, there has been some positive and some negative press surrounding the whole subject. There are various different cryptocurrencies that are available out there. The most popular of all the cryptocurrencies is the Bitcoin. Everyone knows what the Bitcoin is, and there are other smaller coins like Ethereum. You've also got Dash. And you have also got some smaller coins which are also known as altcoins, and like I said, they're in the thousands. You know, there are various different ones, so just Google it and you'll see what I mean. But how I'm currently making money in cryptocurrency is that back in August of last year, a friend of mine introduced me into cryptocurrency, and he told me all about the Bitcoin and how Bitcoin, I think it was in 2012 where it started off as like 1 cent. Not 2012, 2009, sorry, is when the first Bitcoin was introduced, and it was worth like 1 cent. But now, at its highest, which was last year in November, it shot up to a whopping, I believe, $13,000 per coin. So people that had invested in these coins at 1 cent back in 2009 are now millionaires, if not billionaires. So it's just ridiculous. So in terms of cryptocurrency, I believe there is a massive potential to be able to make some money on that. But I didn't invest in Bitcoin at the time, because at first I thought you needed to basically buy an entire Bitcoin, and at the time of investment, which was last year August, it was worth, I think it was worth about £12,000, and I wasn't about to invest that sort of money. But after doing a little bit of research, I realized that actually you don't need to invest in an entire Bitcoin. You can actually invest in portions of a Bitcoin, so you can invest as much as you wanted to. You don't have to invest in the whole coin. But I didn't invest in Bitcoin at the end. What I invested in was another coin called Ethereum, and that's known as the second largest coin underneath the Bitcoin. So I invested some in the in Ethereum. I invested about, not much at the time, I think it was about £1,000. And the way that I did that, there's an app available called Coinbase, which enables you to invest in the 3 largest of all the cryptocurrencies. So I'm talking your Bitcoins, your Ethereums, you've also got Bitcoin Cash, and you've also got another one called Litecoin. So if you download this app, it enables you to invest in these 4 different coins. So what I did is that I downloaded this app and I started investing in Ethereum. Later on, what I also did, I started playing around with the other 4 coins. So I invested a little into Litecoin, a little bit into Bitcoin, and I just left it. But I've got to say, after checking my my Coinbase, I realized that I was actually making some money. So what I did was, with regards to Litecoin, at the time I invested £50 and it had quadrupled in price, and this was around January time. And I was quite lucky, so I made some money there. So I invested £50 and I made about £250. I made about £200, £250 thereabouts. So I thought, wow, there is definitely some potential to be made in it. But what I then realized is that I kept looking at my Coinbase. I kept looking whether it was making money or not. And around that time, it was receiving a lot of negative press. What it was doing, it was like really impacting the value of all of the various different coins. So, you know, people that had invested when it was at a high, so when Bitcoin was at its highest in December, where it was $30,000 per coin, people started investing. But then when it came over to about January, February time of this year, and because of all the negative press, the prices had dropped. So a lot of people lost a lot of money. And unfortunately, because cryptocurrency is so volatile, it can change like the wind. You know, sometimes it'll be really high, so you'll be making a profit, or it will be really low. So for those people that did invest early this year, unfortunately did make a bit of a loss. Well, depending on how much they spent, they made quite a bit of a loss, which is why I say again, if you are going to invest in any coin, make sure you do your research, do your due diligence first of all. And if you are gonna definitely invest, then make sure you only invest what you are prepared to lose. That's a little bit of a word of warning there. But the point I'm trying to make is that I did make some money on cryptocurrencies. I made a few £100. So yeah, I think cryptocurrencies as a whole, there is the potential to make some money out of it, but you do need to do your research and you do need to be careful. Okay, it's not it's not a quick rich scheme. Well, it is in a way, but like I said, it's very risky. Okay, very volatile market. Like I said, at the moment, cryptocurrencies have been going through have been going through quite a bit of negative press in the last 4 months, but it is now starting to climb up a little bit. So what I've done is that I've started to look at my Coinbase app and seeing how much it's increased by, and I've made some money out of it. So yeah, so on the whole, that's the reason why I think yes, cryptocurrency does have the potential to make some money, but you also have got the potential to lose money if you are not careful and if you're not vigilant and you don't do your research. So make sure you do. So guys, I'm gonna leave that video there. I hope it's giving you a little bit of understanding of what cryptocurrencies are. With regards to the app Coinbase, what I'll do is I can leave a link down in my comments below. So if you want to go and check it out, just click on the link. It is an affiliate link, which means that I will get a little kickback if you were to use that link. You don't have to use that link, but like I said, you'd be helping me a little bit if you did. So it'd be much appreciated. But you don't have to. But I'll put the link down below. So that's Coinbase, and like I said, just try it out. Maybe invest £10 to begin with, and just get familiar with the 4 different coins. Like I said, there are 1,000 coins out there, but on Coinbase it's the 4 major coins that you can invest in. All right, so maybe give that a shot and tell me what you think. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button. And if you liked this video and you want to see more videos on cryptocurrency, then hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit that notifications bell. Ding, that notifications bell, so every time that I do drop a video, you will be the first to be notified about it. So guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I know I will. I'm going to try and chill out in the sun, and I look forward to speaking to you on my next video. Take care. Bless.